When US Airways and bankrupt American Airlines agreed to tie the knot earlier this year, the world's biggest carrier was on the horizon.
Through the merger of American and US Airways, we are creating a premier global carrier. And by combining the strengths of both companies, we will be delivering the most value to our owners and the greatest benefits to our customers and our people.
But the Department of Justice, 6 state attorneys general and the District of Columbia say the opposite is true, that the $11 billion merger will hurt consumer choice and could lead to higher prices. DOJ also says both airlines are confident they can and will compete effectively as standalone companies. Proof of that, despite being in bankruptcy, American Airlines has just posted record quarterly profits.
For American, the merger was a chance to update the fleet, refresh the route maps and take on 2 giant competitors that have also recently merged, United Continental and Delta Northwest.
And that's one of the problems. If US Airways and American Airlines get together, 80% of all US air travel will be in the hands of just 4 big companies.
This is a big win for consumers. Without this ruling from the Department of Justice, we would really be subject to 25% less competition across the country in terms of major airlines.
The merger of US Airways and American Airlines required approval from the bankruptcy judge and the Department of Justice. Now the DOJ is no longer on board. US Airways and American Airlines say they'll mount a vigorous and strong defense. It remains to be seen if they really do have the stomach for a prolonged court battle before their dream of creating the world's largest airline ever gets off the ground. John Terrett, Al Jazeera, New York.